Previously on Roses and Daggers.
I mean, me ejuma dey me you're fine. Hey, say me catch you. I would have to shock. Some to shock. What you have insurance is important damage job no head man. I pay them show. Ha, I'm a may with my circle.
Val, his mother called no one but you. What other endorsements do you need? We both know that woman doesn't like you that much. Joshua is a very serious man, and he's trapped in bed vulnerable. I know you have feelings for him, okay? But the advice I'll give you is, if you make someone take your position, that's it. You'll regret it for the rest of your life.
I'm coming. I'm coming. What time is it? You've already been discharged?
It's 9 o'clock. You must have really been tired. Well, I'm sure you two have a lot of catching up to do. Take good care of him, okay, Valerie? All right, dear. Bye, dear.
Okay, Mom. So, are you not gonna ask me to come in?
I'm sorry.
For?
I'm supposed to be here taking care of you. Look at me.
That's alright. Fine.
Are you feeling cold? Should I turn off the air condition?
You look ridiculous.
I know. I didn't bring any change of clothes and you know that. How are you feeling?
Imagine my surprise when I woke up this morning and I found my mom beside me. And then later on I learned that you're here as well.
Well, you know you have enough people who care about you. You know that.
I do. Thank you. Hey, I need that cover cloth.
No.
Good morning. You must have been really tired last night. You hardly oversleep. Yes, sure. We completed half of the MOE jobs, and we needed to do a little presentation last night. Because they said they will have to start distribution in the north. This job is really breaking my back.
But it's better than no contract at all.
Yeah, sure. Valerie couldn't reach you last night until she called to say that she was in the Volta region.
Yes, she left a message for me. Apparently, Joshua has been admitted in the hospital, though I don't know what is wrong with him.
So why call Valerie to go along?
Beats me too.
She's talking to you now.
She's not my friend, if that's what you're talking about.
I don't understand why she called Valerie.
Maybe Valerie is saying Joshua again?
Those two can't work. She has to move on.
Why do you say that?
Look, those two have broken up more than anyone can track. For my policy, if you couldn't make it work the first time, just let go and move on.
I disagree with you.
Well, that is your opinion. You're entitled to that.
Okay. I have to go. I have a media tour in the central region, and I'll stay overnight.
Drive safe.
Thank you. Susan! Susan! Please take this to the car.
Ya wa ba fufu ya do so be ya kakra na wa ya no tacha hantan no wa gu wa so be no ehwe ma mi do bi de mi e na wo me yo ka sa ahwe ma nyim de mi gba boro ma ha eye ne da papa wo na so da papa ho eye Pia wo madam na ora ba
Auntie Marchio.
ya
Na po me.
mi na dum na wo hwe
Nyame na do.
na de da de akra ye
O wa do de me kogum. Ko toto nyama ni bi.
ya salanta
Oje. Wo friend ehun onche. Wakese no beba. Edwumayefo no beba nti. Wo soja na start nchiche nyama na. Foko ichima. Ai.
hwe ya ka cha abofra ya mama hwe hwemeni on popo yin was ko hwemeni dwa bi
Na botalma. Esi me sha afra wo beba ka de nyine won to ka.
Oti ba yo na ansia ala ya wa ha
Betsy.
Good morning, Festus.
Good morning. Is everything okay?
Of course. I just got a message from Valerie saying she was traveling with your wife. That Joshua wasn't well.
Oh, yes.
Well, how is he? What's wrong with him? I hope it's nothing serious.
Oh, yeah, he's going to be fine. I think he ate something in the village that did not agree with him.
And he's okay now?
Oh, yeah, he's already been discharged. Marjorie tends to fuse a little bit sometimes.
She's a mother. Moreover, Joshua is her only child. I'll first see if I were in her shoes.
Well, I hope you're good. Do you hear from Muti?
I guess he's okay.
You guess?
That boy is a mama's child.
Not surprising.
Well, he's just getting out of a divorce. He's going through a tough time. But he'll be fine. He'll be fine.
Oh, that's a shame.
Well, he got married too early. And he's learnt a lot. Second time, he'll be fine. He'll get it right.
Anyway, thank you for checking on Joshua.
Of course. Take care, Festus.
And you take care too, Betsy.
Bye.
I know you twisted the doctor's arm to discharge you, but we have to go back to the hospital.
Yeah, when we get back to Accra.
When are we going back?
Yes. He's actually better. He's out of the hospital now. Don't really know. I'm not sure he's quite fit for the long journey back. In any case, what's important is he's fine. Okay, Baba, I'll talk to you when I get back to Accra. Bye-bye, dear. Hello. Hello, dear.
Hey, Mom.
So Patrick is downstairs, and he says the chiefs have assembled and they've called 3 times. But I told him, you are not going back to that dreadful town. I think you should cancel.
No. Don't cancel it. Look, tell him to explain the situation. He can handle it. It's just a couple of handshakes, smiles, and tell him to assure them everything will be all right. Mom, I'm fine. I'll be all right. Val, please, get this out of here.
You haven't even touched it.
You need to regain your strength for the journey tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
We leave late tonight.
Oh, no. No, Patrick and I are going to go ahead tonight. You two can come tomorrow. You need someone to drive you back.
Why?
Because I have some engagements in Accra. And I need to know that Valerie will be here taking good care of you.
Joshua, I think your mom is right. You need to rest the night, and let's see if we can travel tomorrow. Let's see what happens.
So, I'm gonna go get something. I'm tired of this dress already. Do you want anything?
No, I washed mine last night. I don't think I'll be stepping out anytime soon. Your mom is a handful.
Look, am I crazy for thinking that my mom may be into Patrick?
What? Yes, you're crazy.
Now, wait, think about it. She conveniently has other plans in Accra, just for Patrick to drive her.
I mean, who else is there to drive her apart from Olu?
You? You came with her?
She wants me to stay here with you.
Why?
Who knows? Maybe she's trying to put us together?
My mom.
Yes. Why? What's wrong with that?
Valerie.
What?
I don't want to take advantage of you.
He's such a gentleman. Please do. Come here.
So, be careful.
I will.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Winifred. Good morning. Listen, are you free to meet up today? My house? No, she's not in yet. I just want to have a discussion with you. Okay. Let me know when you set off so I don't step out, okay? Alright, thank you very much. Okay, bye.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you alone? Where is the engineer?
No, he's not coming today.
When you called and said the meeting was back on, I thought he was going to come along. The chiefs will be disappointed.
Look, it wasn't his intention not to come. I didn't want to say this to make you feel bad, but actually he got sick.
Oh, that's bad. I hope he's okay now.
Don't worry, he'll be fine, eh?
Oh, the evil spirit wants to kill the only person who is going to build us a big hospital. Imagine he wouldn't have had to travel all the way to Accra.
Like I said, you'll be fine. Get back to work, alright?
Hot and spicy. Yes, hot and spicy.
You, come here. Look, you better stop selling this before you kill someone. Do you hear me?
Please, is anything the
Are you
problem?
asking me a question? Do you know your meat almost killed my boss last night? Look, let me tell you something. The next time I see you around this place selling this, I'll call for your arrest. Do you hear me? Get out. Look, manager, there are people coming from other communities to work here, and they need to be fed right. Good food and healthy food. Come on, upon all the accidents on site, food poisoning shouldn't be one of them.
I understand, sir. Please extend our apologies to the engineer.
Look, you guys need to be very, very careful. Have you checked in the storeroom?
Yes.
Have you worked on the toilet?
Everything is
Can
in
you show
place.
me?
Right. Please, this way.
Ode fan dem anja. Do ye den ye nyu agi. Nti no onye dade nti no de ye kasa. Ode fan dem a.
Aya samo. Yami tabe kaka krabe
Nti na abantem de.
The people are angry.
Angry there.
Yesterday, I sold some of the meat to them and it nearly killed the engineer.
Mimi na me so kokotonen. E pate da bi menta so. Na denti na dwuma no wo nya won de won. So wo kesi me no wo ba. What do na yan wo hade ye de anu ye didi wo fom. Oya de.
But one of the men said that he has also reacted to your meat before and that you mixed up the old ones with the new ones. I am sure the engineer got one of the bad ones.
You back one to ho. More no bad, no more no good.
Ayi na make da no ocho nam odi suo ma de chin odi mo amakoton.
Pocho me kram pocho. Me srew. Ube nkwa ba aba nimpo eton ma nkofo mu wodi me nchrew me small dey ton me srew.
Na you know kunkum nyipe.
Yes, the engineer nearly died.
Eraba. Me engineer onye nearly die o. Na kokoton me zama mbramu. Kokoton me zama ma. Me peka se bia.
I can't go, please.
Esi, you can't body.
He says if he sees me selling it again, he will let the police arrest me. I didn't come all the way here to go to prison for something I didn't do.
Inti pacha there. Enton, them.
I can sit back here and take care of the other things. Can go and sell them. I won't sell this meat. I won't forgive myself if anybody dies because of me.
Eraba no do. Sempra family namen anko. Na anko tana mam. Na mo sorry fe go am to di bottle be me gina na. Djuma me be tu. Atma be kan. Kokoton me na mbrem. Nwa wona na mo me ye shodo wa ayo apetesi bi. Na wa bu no woti oyo no wode de da. Onya me na mo bokun wode. Nam ni nyim ha yes am aton na me. Kono koton na me brem. Empeka sa.
Wala kura kwaton e. So wa so kwaton obe ye kwaton a.
Me mba wa bado. Po chopa.
Obi ne ba kwaton wan chire ne ntum.
Me mba wa bado. Kokoton ade ne fiwo.
Why do you keep pushing me away?
Because I don't trust you.
What? You don't trust me?
You're damn right I don't.
Why?
Because you don't know what you want.
Do we have to go over this again?
Yes, it's a cycle. I mean, you get jealous whenever you see me with someone. But I can't because it's unhealthy for our friendship. And then when you find yourself alone, you think I'm here to entertain you? It's got to stop, Val.
It's got to stop, Joshua. I'm serious. I am.
How do I know that?
Come here. Don't you feel anything when I try to kiss you?
Did I say you look hot in this? This shirt is mine, right?
It's yours. And that's my Joshua right there. Joshua, are you okay?
I'll be fine. Fine.
You don't look fine. What is it?
My head. Just... I'm a little dizzy.
Sorry, is there anything you have to take? Like medication?
Yeah. Please grab it from the fridge for me.
Okay. You're going to be fine, okay?
Yeah. I guess it's just my body telling me I can get lucky right from the hospital.
I love you.
Ma, but I still saw something for you this morning and I should be paid for it.
Osoli abade. Abade na esoli. Eraba, Missy Fiana ko. Mo show people from na ejuma.
I can sell anything for you, but I can't sell that meat.
Into me sell that meat amate. Menka sai, menyo ako. Menka sai. Na mmom, ko kiosk ni mu. Ke pack winza ma nyina de mo force ni. Mama single room da rent.
Please. Please, I beg you.
Eraba. Me shame before na pay.
You let me stay in for at least a week. I will leave.
A week na kasa. Me need them week in.
Please, I beg.
Me for the Christmas. Eraba. Eraba jam name.
Please.
Jam name man share. Hey. Want to say me dey here ready for them.
Please.
Fia. No be. You tell me fia. Please. You don't sit now. Me fia. Fia. Anya. You go go business. What's the baby share? You man ask na way. You obi to make us over tell me news man. You should match me a good woman.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Come on in.
Thank you. I hope there's nothing wrong. To be honest, I've been a little worried. Since you don't need my services today, unless your sink is shocked again.
Thankfully, that's not the case. Come on in.
Okay.
Please feel at home.
Okay, thank you.
You care for anything?
No. Thank you. I had some kinky this afternoon. I'm still a little full.
Okay. So I discussed with my husband, and he thinks it's okay for you to move in with us. Did you hear me?
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Listen, I know you have no one, and you're trying to run away from a useless excuse of a man. But all that has changed. You're going to move in with me and Zach, my husband.
Anita, you want me to live here?
Yes.
Anita, you hardly know me.
That's not true. I know you. And from now onwards, you can call me family. You can call me your sister, your friend, anything you want.
Oh. I don't know what to say.
Thank you will do.
Thank you. Oh.
Before that, Zach and I were already looking for someone to come and stay with me. Zach works at the mines and he's barely home. He comes home when he can afford to. And I have recently taken seed.
Congratulations.
Thank you, but don't congratulate me yet, because you know I have a long way to go.
I know.
The doctor also insisted I don't do anything strenuous. I have lost a couple of babies already.
Oh no.
Yes. That's why I think it will be perfect to have you around, to help me with the housework and also to keep me company.
Sure.
So, you know you wouldn't be paying any rent, right?
Okay.
And there's free food. I love to cook and I'm so happy I have an extra mouth to feed.
Oh.
The food normally goes on waste when Val doesn't come to visit. And then you'll be given a monthly allowance of 400 cedis.
Just for doing nothing?
Just for being here. You know you'll be helping me with most of the housework, like cleaning.
That is no problem. Don't worry.
Great. But that'll be temporary, okay? Till the baby comes. And I'll make sure you get a small, nice accommodation. And also a shop. To earn more than the peanuts I'll be giving you.
You have no idea what this gesture means to me.
I can't wait to have you here.
Oh, don't worry. I'll take very good care of you. Oh.